Greetings. My name is Timon Green, and I am a travel consultant with Evolution Travel, and I am based out of Atlanta, Georgia. Now, you may have seen me post about this opportunity on my Facebook or my Instagram account, but what I wanted to do in this webinar is to go into a little bit more detail about the opportunity, because by you viewing this webinar, that means that you are interested in learning more about the opportunity through Evolution Travel. So I would like to take some time out of your busy and precious schedules just to tell you a little bit more information about Evolution Travel. Now, before I begin, I just want to share with you my background and how I got involved with Evolution Travel. Now, by trade, I am in the accounting industry. I worked as an accountant, and I currently teach accounting and bookkeeping courses on the college level. So you may be wondering how someone who is in a whole nother industry have become involved with Evolution Travel as a travel agent. Well, let me tell you, I've always enjoyed traveling. I remember when I took my first plane ride actually, to Disney World back when I was 8 years old, and I enjoyed traveling ever since then. I enjoy going on a nice vacation. I enjoy going on cruises. I enjoy going on vacations to all-inclusive resorts. So when I was presented with the opportunity to travel and join Evolution Travel, I jumped on it. And how I found out about Evolution Travel? Well, basically through the power of social media. I saw a post on Facebook by my now sponsor, who is based out of Memphis, Tennessee, and she introduced me to this opportunity, and I decided, you know what? It sounds like something that I am interested in. I invested in it, and now here I am, ready to share with you the opportunity that Evolution Travel provides. So let's get into the nuts and bolts of this webinar. So I want to start off this webinar by asking you a simple question. Where would you go if time and money were not an issue? Now, time and money is something that, a lot of us face. There's just not enough time to travel for some of us. And of course, you might not have the money, or we think we might not have the money to travel. But what if I were to tell you, or ask you basically, where would you like to go if time and money were not an issue? So, would you like to go to Paris? How about to Walt Disney World? Maybe to Greece? Maybe to Fiji or Dubai? So what if time and money were not an issue? Where exactly would you like to go? So first, let me just tell you that travel is the largest and sexiest industry. Travel is an $8 trillion industry. There's a lot of individuals who love to travel. There's a lot of people who love to go different places. So by getting involved in the travel industry, this is a sexy industry, and it's also $8 trillion. So there's a lot of opportunities for all of us in travel, and I am very delighted to say that I'm glad that I have taken the jump into the travel industry from accounting, and I want to share with you the opportunity to come into this $8 trillion industry. So, some of you may be asking, well, can I book trips on my own? Why do I need to use a travel agent? Well, I'm glad that you asked that question, and now I can provide you with 6 reasons why you should use a travel agent. The first reason is it's a time saver. We as travel agents can save you a lot of time by actually going out and looking for vacation packages for you that meets your specific budget and exactly where it is you would like to go. We provide expert advice as a travel agent. So if you want to go on vacation and you want our expert advice on the place where you are going, we as travel agents can provide that information to you. We offer personalized service. So a lot of travel agents specialize in a certain facet in travel. I myself, I like cruises, all-inclusive resort vacations, and Walt Disney World vacations. So because of our expertise in an area, we can provide that personalized service that'll help you plan the vacation of your dreams. We have destination knowledge. A lot of travel agents have been to a lot of places that you are planning on going. So we, as travel agents, have that destination knowledge that we can share with you and even allow you to enjoy your vacation even more based upon our destination knowledge. We give you a peace of mind. We know that when you use a travel agent, that you can assure that we are going to provide the best possible vacation that meets your budget as well as your preference. So you can have that peace of mind and knowing that we're going to research a top-notch vacation for yourself, your family, and your friends. And last is a money saver. We can put together packages and save you money. So instead of booking flights and hotels and everything separately, we can save you money by packaging that deal together, which is going to include everything that you have wanted. So those are the 6 main reasons why you should use a travel agent when you are planning your next vacation. So all that sounds great, right? So let me talk about travel agent perks and rewards, because there are various perks and rewards that you can take advantage of as a travel agent. So depending on which cruise line, and I know Princess Cruise Lines is definitely one of them, that you can earn a free cruise. So if you book a certain amount of individuals for that particular cruise, hey, the cruise line will give you a free cabin. Or some cruise lines, if you finish their training, you can go and book a free cruise. So you can go through an online training program on your own through Princess or Carnival Cruises where you can earn a free cruise. Next, you can earn points towards rewards and travel. So some of the vendors that we use are MLT Vacations, Expedia, Apple Vacations, Royal Caribbeans. So you can earn points for your own travel. Now, because we get travel perks with a lot of these different vendors, you can accumulate travel points that you can use towards your travel, which is going to give you even more of a discount. You can earn cash and merchandise. So for some of the vendors such as FunJet, Apple Vacation, and Carnival Cruises, you can earn cash as well as merchandise that you can use to market in your business for your clients and your family and friends when you book their vacation. Then there are fam trips or familiarization trips where travel agents can get firsthand experience of what they're actually selling. So basically what that means is you can go and, let's say, stay at a hotel. If you're interested in hotels, you can basically say that you're a travel agent. You can go in there and get an inspection of the hotel, and you can get even more experience with that particular hotel. So you have that firsthand experience to sell to your clients. And lastly, and probably one of the most important things about this, which really makes me excited, and it should make you excited too, is the fact that you get travel agent discounts. So we get discounts on hotels, we get discounts on theme parks, we get discounts on car rentals, cruises, etc. So there's a lot of travel agent discounts that we can take advantage of just for being travel agents. And I know in a lot of my Facebook and Instagram posts, I talk about that. So I just wanted to reiterate the fact that you can get travel agent discounts as a travel agent. So let me talk a little bit about Evolution Travel. Now, who exactly is Evolution Travel? Basically, Evolution Travel is in partnership with Archer Travel Service and have been established as a home-based travel business that is affordable and includes training, sales experience, and dedicated support. Evolution Travel strives to be the best home-based travel business available in the industry. So the goal of Evolution Travel is to provide a travel business opportunity with true value and excellent products. So just like how I mentioned in my Facebook post, this is a home-based business opportunity that you can work full-time, you can work part-time, whatever your desire is, and as long as you have internet connection, you can do this business. So it's great perks, it's an excellent way to travel, and it's also an excellent way to meet new individuals. So Evolution Travel believes if you have a dream and are willing to work for it, nothing can stop you but yourself. So if you see yourself and you envision yourself doing well, then Evolution Travel strives to give you an environment where you can be successful and turn your dreams into a reality. Now, all that sounds great, doesn't it? So, let me talk a little bit about this gentleman here, who is David McCovey, who is the founder of Evolution Travel. Now, David is a lifetime entrepreneur. He founded multiple businesses, including the largest independent concert company in Las Vegas. In addition to all that, David mentors high school students in entrepreneurship, and he is the top 10 money earner in his previous network marketing company. But besides all that, David is a very knowledgeable and approachable gentleman, and I had the pleasure of meeting David at two events that I was a part of with Evolution Travel, and I can say that who in any company where you can engage with your founder and they actually get to know you and motivate you to be successful. And that's definitely David's goal, is to motivate everybody who is a part of Evolution Travel so we can all be successful and share in the wonderful opportunities that we have available with this company. Now, this gentleman here is named Ron Archer, who is the CEO of Archer Travel. And basically, Archer Travel is a 65-year-old licensed and bonded travel company. It's the former board member, Ron is the former board member of the Signature Travel Network. He is featured in Travel Weekly, which is a national magazine geared towards the who's who in the travel industry, and he guided his company to hundreds of millions of dollars in travel revenue. And I myself had the pleasure of meeting Mr. Archer at an event in Memphis, Tennessee, and he's very knowledgeable in travel. He knows the industry left and right. You can ask him questions, he'll respond to you, and he'll help you get to where you need to go in this particular company. So those two individuals are the drivers, the leaders of this company, and they share great leadership in allowing all of the agents who join Evolution Travel to be successful in this industry. So, Archer Travel Group is family owned and operated since 1952. So we can see that Archer has several different associations, okay, including association with Expedia Tap, which is a vendor in booking various vacations. Also with Archer Travel, it's a 2016 top USA producer. And as you can see, the different associations with Archer Travel that you can partake of when you become an agent, which is going to allow you to take advantage of even more travel perks. So, who are some of the vendors that Archer Travel has been associated or is associated with? So, Evolution Travel has over 133 vendors to choose from. So that means when you come aboard and become an agent, you can book vacations through 133 different vendors. That sounds like a lot, doesn't it? It is a lot. So you have an opportunity to book vacations with various vendors. And as you can see, you can notice some of the vendors some of you have probably used in the past. We have Princess Cruises. We have Southwest Vacations. We have Sandals. We have Disney, Thrifty Car Rental, Hertz, Carnival, United Vacations. So all of these different vendors you can book vacations through because you are a travel agent. So you get commissions on these bookings, but you can see that a lot of the vendors we have used before. And personally, I have become a Disney specialist since I signed aboard with Evolution Travel. Carnival, I use FunJet Vacations when I book certain vacations. So the opportunities are there. The vendors are there. So there's a lot of different vendors to choose from whenever you go and book vacations. So I've given you the layout pretty much of Evolution Travel, the different vendors, the travel agent perks, and everything. So now what I want to talk to you about with this opportunity is Evolution Travel's travel commissions. Now, this is optional, okay? Well, actually, no, it's not optional. Whenever you book the vacations, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the compensation. So I'm sorry, I went ahead of myself a little bit. So please forgive me. That's how excited I get when I do any webinar involving Evolution Travel. So what I want to go over with you in this part of the webinar is how will you be compensated as an agent. So as you can see, whenever you book a vacation as the booking agent, which you are, you will receive 80% of the commission. Okay? So 80% of whatever commission you earn is basically yours. Now, your sponsor or the person who brought you into this industry is going to receive 10% of the booking. So whatever amount that you book on your vacation, your sponsor receives 80% of that. So the booking agent and the sponsor accounts for 90% of the travel commissions. And as we see, Evolution Travel's travel commissions are the highest in the industry. Now, because of my background in accounting, I love numbers. I love money. I know how to account for it. So just think, as an agent, when you book a vacation, 80% of that commission is yours. And if you bring somebody in to the business, you get 10% of every agent's bookings that you bring in. So you can book and make money, but then you can also not book and make money too. Sounds like a winning combination to me, doesn't it? To you? Okay. So I want to give you an example of how a commission is calculated. So let's say that you book a group cruise through through Royal Caribbean. Now, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line sells 7-day cruises for an average of $3,000 double occupancy. So you add a 16% commission to that, you can get $480 per cabin. So based upon cabins off a double occupancy, 16% of that commission comes to $480. So let's say that you book a large group on that cruise, and the large group is 15 cabins. Basically, you would receive $7,200 in gross commission. So when you book a large cruise on Royal Caribbean, and in this example, if you book 15 cabins, that's $7,200 in gross commissions. Now, the way how this is calculated, you, the booking agent, will receive 80% of that $7,200 or $5,760. And check this out. Because you booked more than 15 cabins or 15 cabins or more with Royal Caribbean, you get one free cabin for each 15 sold. So you sell 15 cabins on Royal Caribbean, you get one cabin free on top of $5,760. Doesn't that sound like a winning combination? You get money plus a free cabin. Now, your sponsor, the person who brought you on board to the business, is going to receive 10% of that. So the sponsor doesn't really have to do anything. The sponsor gets 10% because the person that they bought on booked the actual cabin. So that means there's money coming towards the sponsor. So even if you're the sponsor, you're still in a winning situation and receiving money based upon your booking agents. Now just think, if you're a sponsor and you have 10 individuals, hardworking individuals who book cruises under you, just imagine the amount of money that you can generate as a sponsor. So that's just an example of some group cruise facts and how you can earn money that way. Now, there are various travel deals for being a travel agent. So we have certain deals consisting of Cancun and the Riviera Maya deals. Here we can see 3 nights, unlimited luxury, and look at that, including airfare for $699 at this resort. If you're interested in Punta Cana, we also get certain other deals. We see at this resort here, 3 nights all-inclusive, including airfare. Look at that price, $549. You just simply can't beat that. You just can't, all right? So these are some of the deals that you can get when you become a travel agent with Evolution Travel. Now, what I really love about Evolution Travel is this Advantage Direct, and I have personally just booked a resort in Dominican Republic, a 2-bedroom suite for 1 week for $239. I am not lying to you. $239 at a club, a suite with 2-bedroom resort in Punta Cana. You just simply can't beat that. So basically we have the Advantage Direct, where you can book resort weeks at the wholesale value. So these resorts go, some of them for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, but you can get these resorts for unbelievable discounts just for being a travel agent. Now here's an example of how Advantage Direct works. So let's say that you want to stay here at this beach club in US and Canada, and we have Hawaii and Maui, and let's say you want to go for 1 week. We see that it's a 1-bedroom and it sleeps 4. Now normally a resort like this will go for $4,305, but because you are a travel agent with Evolution Travel, look at how much you would pay for this after savings. $1,512.25. You can do the math. It normally goes for $4,305 and you pay $1,512.25. Or let's take a look at this resort over here in Mexico. We see, let's say that you wanted to go for these dates. I know they're this older, but this is an example. But let's say that this resort, it sleeps 1 bedroom, is 1 bedroom, sleeps 6. Look at the price, $9,184. What will we pay as travel agents if we book this? No, it's not an error. You're not looking at fake numbers, okay? After savings, you would pay $1,173.25. So how much are you saving there? So that's just one of the many perks that I'm talking to you about on this presentation of being a travel agent. So in addition to the travel perks, we also get dining discounts for US Evolution Travel agents. So here is some of the dining discounts that we receive as travel agents. Subway, Taco Bell, TGI Fridays, just to name a few. All right. Also, if you want to go to the movies or any other type of event or attraction, we also get discounts on movie tickets. So you can see normally the gate price of a Cinemark dinner and movie package goes for $50. We get it for $21. which is a huge over half discount that we get just for being a travel agent. All right. Then there's our Evo Rewards program. So the Evo Rewards is an extra added incentive to your membership. Now, what Evo Rewards is, this is where we can go as Evolution travel agents to book trips for us, but if we wanted to upsell some trips for our clients, then we can also book this through our Evo Rewards. And as we can see right here, the income earned through Evo Rewards may be subject to income tax withholdings. So let me do a comparison right now between Expedia versus Evo Rewards. So you go to the Expedia website, and let's say that you want to book the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino in Miami. Now, do this yourself. Pretty much, Expedia is going to charge you $225 and see how Expedia slashed the price. But this same hotel under Evo Rewards is going to cost you $164.13. So even though Expedia slashed the price to $225, through Evo Rewards, we can get that same hotel that we researched in Expedia for $164.13. Okay, so just the breakdown here of the MGM Grand Studio. Let's say we want to stay there for 7 nights. So as we can see, the average price is going to be $224.87. We tack on our taxes per night. So the total trip amount is $1,998.24. So let's say now that we booked that trip through Evo Rewards, that same trip, the same specifications, the price is going to be $1,333. All right. So that means, as you can compare the two, if you go through Expedia, you're going to pay almost $2,000. But if you book that trip through Evo Rewards, this is all you're going to pay, $1,333. So you're already saving big there. So as we can see also, that 1,333 points will be awarded to your triple dip account. So you get all those points added towards, other vacations for you. But look at the total savings just by going through Evo Rewards. You saved yourself $665.24. That's a big savings. Wouldn't you agree? So you book this through Expedia, even though they're telling you that you have a discount. When you go through Evo Rewards, you get even more of a discount, which is going to save you $665. Now, if you are a travel agent and your client asks you for deals on hotels, you can basically come through the Evo Rewards and upsell this to your client. Now, even though the cost is going to be $1,333, as a business owner, you definitely want to earn a profit. So you can book this same resort to your client for $1,665.62. But watch this. Even if you sell this to your client for $1,665.62, if they would have went and booked it themselves through Expedia, they're paying more. So guess what? The client is saving by booking through you, and you are also getting a profit off of the deal. So pretty much your profit just for upselling this same hotel to your client is $332.62. So your client is saving and you are earning a profit. Doesn't that sound good? Doesn't that sound like a winning situation? Definitely looks like that to me. Now, we also have the ability to book car rentals. So let's say you go to Alamo, okay, and you want to book an economy 2 or 4-door car. You're going to San Francisco and you need a rental. So you go and you book this car rental, and it comes to $354.33. All right. But let's say we go through our Evo Rewards program. We see that same car rental But look how much we are paying through Evo Rewards. Okay, we are only paying $165.93. So the Expedia price is $354.33. Our Evo reward price is $165.93. So there's a difference of $188.40 that we are saving just by booking through our Evo reward. Now you may have a client that wants discounts on car rentals. So we take this same scenario. You can go through our Evo rewards, look at the price of $165.93. We can say, hey, we can sell this to our client for $260.13, which is less than the Expedia price. So we're making a profit of $94.20. So again, we're winning as a travel agent because we found a lower price for our client, and we're also making a profit. So that's the advantages of being a travel agent. You can search for these deals and sell it to your client, and you can make a profit from it. Now, in addition to the hotels as well as the car rentals, we also get VIP access to certain Vegas day clubs, pool parties, and nightclubs. So, as being a travel agent, we can get VIP entry, we can get booth and bottle service. This includes a host and a busser, and entry tax and gratuities are included. So we can go to any one of these Vegas hotels and get VIP access. So I also want to talk to you about the Evolutionary Business Card, okay, which is an interactive augmented reality card that allows you to go and check on certain other features of being a travel agent. So this is also pretty cool because it allows you to stay on top of your business. Now, as a travel agent, you are a business person, so you are required by the IRS to report all of your earnings on your taxes. So TaxBot, which is an app that we use within Evolution Travel as travel agents, what this does is it bulletproofs yourself from the IRS. So it backs up everything that you report to the IRS. So you can use this TaxBot application for mileage tracking, income tracking. It tracks deductions, and it also tracks your expenses. So normally TaxBot goes for $9.99 a month or $99 per year, but because you are an Evolution travel agent, we pay $4.99 a month or $60 per year. So you're also saving on applications that's going to help your business. So not only are you saving on resorts, on hotels, and on car rentals, you're also saving on applications that can help you manage your business. So you're saving all around. That's all around savings as being a travel agent. Now, with the TaxBot application, let's do a comparison of no deductions versus with deductions. So let's say you earned $50,000, all right, and you don't have any deductions. You are a W-2 worker, so to speak. The amount that you're being taxed on is $50,000, which means you're going to owe $12,500 in taxes, and you're not going to save anything. But as a business owner, let's say that you do have deductions. So you make that same amount in income, but you have $10,000 in deductions. You're only going to be taxed on $40,000 of those deductions. So the taxes that you are going to owe in that case is $10,000. So if you do the comparison within the two, if you have deductions because you are a business, you're going to be saving $2,500. And this is how the TaxBot application works, because it allows you to keep track of all of those deductions. So, just to sum up everything that I've talked about so far, being a travel agent allows you to save on taxes, earn extra income. It provides you with financial freedom. You can travel at a discount, And pretty much you also have time freedom. Work when you want and where you want. So you don't have to do this business every day. You can decide to do it on the weekends. So wherever you decide to do with travel, especially evolution, you have the freedom to do it.